Hey everyone, today in this series I will show you how to choose the perfect e-commerce platform for your business. Entrepreneurs understand that the path to a successful business transcends merely having a brilliant idea. It hinges on the ability to effectively connect with the right audience and seamlessly deliver your product or service. In today's discussion, we are immersing ourselves in the dynamic world of e-commerce platforms. Through a comprehensive evaluation of the strengths and weaknesses of popular platforms, we aim to equip you with the knowledge needed to make the optimal choice for your business. So, if you are eager to elevate the performance of your online store, you are in the right place. We are here to provide you with a wealth of insights and information to help you achieve just that. Before we dive into the comparisons, let us make sure we are on the same page. An e-commerce platform is the backbone of your online business. It is where you sell your products or services and manage crucial tasks like inventory, shipping, and creating an attractive storefront. Moreover, it should seamlessly integrate with other tools like your email marketing platform. Your choice of an e-commerce platform can significantly impact the success of your business. But remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Your priorities as a business owner play a crucial role in your decision, and it is more than just aesthetics. Your platform should not only look good, but also feel good and be intuitive for your customers. Plus, it should support you as a business owner, not overwhelm you. After all, if it is too complicated, you might end up doing everything manually, costing you time, energy, and money. As you weigh your options, consider these factors: hosting type, integrations, and the trial period. There are two main types of e-commerce platforms: hosted and self-hosted. Hosted platforms are all-in-one solutions. They handle everything for you, from software updates to security, and even offer customer support. It is like having a team of experts at your disposal. On the other hand, self-hosted platforms mean you will need to manage everything yourself. While they might cost less upfront, hidden fees and additional hassles can crop up down the line. You are responsible for security updates and software improvements, and customer support might be limited. For most entrepreneurs, an all-in-one hosted platform is the way to go. It allows you to focus on the exciting parts of your business while trusting that your e-commerce operations run smoothly in the background. Now, here is a crucial step in your decision-making process: the trial period. Trying out a platform for yourself is the single best way to evaluate if it is right for your business. Don't be swayed by flashy marketing or screenshots on sales pages. Hands-on experience is essential to understand how a platform truly works for you. Prioritize options that offer free trials or money-back guarantees. You need the chance to test before committing. It is okay to experiment with multiple platforms during these trial periods to find the best fit for your business. Remember, investing extra time upfront to test multiple platforms is far better than committing to something that won't work for you in the long run. So, as we wrap up this discussion, it is crucial to emphasize the significance of selecting the appropriate e-commerce platform. Remember to take into account factors like hosting type, integrations, and the trial period. This decision holds tremendous weight and can truly be a defining factor in determining the success or potential challenges your online business may face. It is the backbone of your virtual storefront, shaping the experience for both you and your customers. Therefore, investing time and thought into the choice is an investment in the long-term prosperity of your online venture. By meticulously evaluating these aspects, you are laying a solid foundation for a thriving e-commerce enterprise. And that is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce to you how to choose the right e-commerce platform, Wix versus Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.